So we're factorising quadratics, but this quadratic is not just x squared, it's 8x squared. And because it's a quadratic and it's more than 1x squared, you need to use something called the AC method. And factorising obviously is put it into brackets. So let's get going. It's called the AC method because of this. So A obviously is 8. B is minus 18, and your C value is minus 35. It's called AC method because of this. AC, A times C. A times C, so 8 times minus 35 is minus 280, and B happens to be minus 18. You need to find two numbers. When you multiply, you get minus 280, and when you add, you get minus 18. So two numbers which multiply to give you minus 280, minus 28 times 10, or 28 times minus 10. But remember, it needs to give you negative 18, so the pair must be, let's test it. Minus 28 times 10, that's minus 280. Minus 28 add 10, that's minus 18, correct. So what do we do with those two numbers? We rewrite this. In order to factorise, we need 4 terms. So what we do is the middle term, we break it up into minus 28x plus 10x instead of minus 18. We break it up basically. And then that allows us to factorise 2 terms at a time. What number goes into both? 4x. What goes inside? 2x. Let's test it. 4 times 2 is 8. X times x is x squared. 4x times what is 28x? 7. That's done. Now let's factorise those two. What number goes into both? That is positive 5. 5 times what will give me 10x, 2x. 5 times what will give me minus 35, that's minus 7. You will notice the bracket will always be the same. If it's not, you've done something wrong. Your final answer for factorising, the outside make up one bracket, 4x plus 5. So the outside make up one bracket, and the repeated inside make up the other bracket, and there you go, done. You might be thinking, what if I had these two the other way around? I'm going to show you, it gives you the same answer. So what if you had this? You factorize these two. What's the common factor for 8 and 10? That is 2. 2x gives you 4x. 2 times what? That gives me 5. Let's test it. 2x times 4x is 8x squared. And 2x times 5 is 10x. If you look at here, there is a common factor of a minus. And obviously 7 goes into both. Minus 7 times what gives you 28? 4x. Minus 7 times what gives you minus 35? Positive 5. Obviously the bracket will be the same. Remember, the outside make up one bracket, and the inside, the repeated inside, make up the other bracket. There you go. Same answer, whichever way you do it.